Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. So, today's topic is focusing more on work than on results. There is a Hindi saying which is कर्म कीजा फल की इच्छा मत कर, which defines a topic very clearly. When you start focusing your attention and energy less on results but more on the process and the technique involves, you discover that you learn faster, much more successful, and even happier at the outcomes. Altogether, you will gain much more things in the life when you start focusing on the process than on the results. Process is something which is more important than results, because process is something that we do, that is something which is in our control, but the results are not in our control because it based on numerous factors. When we start following various process in a right manner, then the results will follow us automatically. Let's take couple of example. In a chemistry, when two new chemical react with the right process, then only the compound will generate, otherwise it will blast. In the same manner, when student focusing on the study then on the results, it will get more results than that. But focusing on the process other than outcomes is much better strategy. Why is that so? First, it eliminates noise of external factor. It contributes experimentation. It puts us as authority. It gives us confidence. It led us enjoyment and benefit much more whatever outcome occur there. So how can you focus on process other than results? Stop worrying about what others says about you, about your performance. Take every attempt as a merely chance to practice next attempt. Rate yourself on the basis of efforts, not on the basis of outcomes, results. Today, this is the only thing from my side. Thank you.